So one of the questions I get asked by people that, particularly when they hear about flat fee pricing, is our pricing all inclusive? Well, no. What's not included is the FDA user fees are not included. So how much do you have to pay the FDA in order to submit your 510K and have them review it? It doesn't include third-party review fees if you go through a third-party reviewer. It doesn't include distribution licenses. A lot of devices require a distribution license for shipping it from state to state or outside the country. Particularly, a lot of companies in California have some different licensing fees and process that they have to go through before they can even distribute medical devices. There's UDI issuance, so most devices and all devices in the future will require a UDI barcode, and you have to work with a UDI issuing agency like GS1 to get those barcodes issued. You have to do internal auditing at least once a year. So you're going to have to hire somebody to do internal auditing, or you're going to have to train people internally and have them do your internal auditing. So that isn't included. We sometimes have proposals from proposal requests from clients to please also quote internal auditing when you quote your turnkey quality system. So we would have those as separate line items in the proposal. And we do that a lot, but that's not included in our flat fee pricing for the turnkey quality system. You also, even though you have a quality system and you're doing an internal audit, you still need a certification body to give you an ISO 1345 certificate, and that's not included. So you're going to actually get audited. After you do your own internal audit, you now have to have an outside agency that's a certification body come in and do a stage 1 audit and a stage 2 audit, and you're going to pay them anywhere between $10,000 and $15,000 for that ISO certification audit, stage 1 and stage 2. If you're doing CE marking, you're going to have to pay the notified body to review your technical file and to issue certificates, and they'll do an audit for CE marking as well. So that's yet another audit. And if you're doing Canadian licensing, you have Canadian licensing fees, you have establishment fees, and you also have MD-SAP certification, which is another type of 1345 certification. So these are all things that are not included. And I try to spell that out in all our proposals, but our flat fees do not include these.